Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Timescale Cloud login problems, project access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with Timescale Cloud, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve your project access errors. First, ensure that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Next, confirm that you have internet connectivity. Open a web browser and try accessing a different website to verify your connection. If your internet connection is stable, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can often resolve unexpected issues by refreshing how your browser interacts with the site. After clearing the cache, try logging into Timescale Cloud again. If you are still facing issues, try using a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. Sometimes, browser extensions may interfere with your login attempts. Disabling any ad blockers or privacy-focused extensions might help. Another important step is to check Timescale Cloud's status page for any ongoing outages or maintenance. If there is an active issue reported, you may need to wait for it to be resolved by the Timescale team. If everything seems normal, try accessing the platform using an incognito or private browsing window. This mode can help rule out issues caused by cached data or extensions. If you still cannot access your project, it may be helpful to reach out to your team or administrator. Ensure that you have the appropriate permissions to access the project in question. If you believe your account settings are correct, submit a support request to Timescale Cloud. Provide detailed information about the error message you are encountering. Include any steps you have already taken to attempt to resolve the issue. Once your support request is submitted, monitor your email for a response from the support team. They will provide further guidance tailored to your specific issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Timescale Cloud login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.